Okay, in this video, I want to show you guys what you can do with your note cards once you've created them. So I have read through this entire website, this article I was reading, and I'm pretty much done with it. I got 6 note cards out of it, so I'm going to come over here to my note cards. And it's just like, if you imagine, this is your table. This is your table at school or at home, and you've got your little note cards just laying out all over the place here. This is going to allow you to organize your table, okay? So some of these, you can see my tag is historical context in this one, historical context. Notice this one actually says heart of the story. So that one's different. I'm gonna drag that one over here to kind of keep it away from the rest. This one has to do with the population, the British takeover. Okay, all of these all have to do with historical context. So one option I can do is just kind of group those together. So you guys can see that is my dog drinking out of its bowl. It's very noisy. As you guys can see, all of those note cards are right there. And then this other guy is over here, but I'm going to show you what you can do to organize those note cards differently. Okay, you can grab the note cards and you can stack them on top of each other. And it's going to ask you for a title. Well, this is all going to go into my historical context. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So now I have 2 note cards. I'm going to keep stacking. 3, 4, 5. So now I have a stack of notes in my historical context. Now, if I want to look at those, I can go and expand the pile. I can unstack the pile if I want to. But one other thing I'm going to show you that we'll do later, all of these notes, if you guys will look over here, I created a basic outline that you guys can all create. This is a basic, very generic outline of how your papers will be organized. And so everybody can go and create this to start with. But what I can do is I can take these note cards and I can put them right into my historical context. So now all of my notes are right there and I can reorganize them. Maybe I want first settlements to be up here a little bit higher. I can put them in the order that I want to cover them to tell the story of the historical context. So that is the reason that this is such a slick program. It allows you to not only take notes, organize your notes, create an outline, throw your notes in your outline, and then eventually I can export this and look at it in a Google Doc and start doing my actual paper writing. Okay, so that's how you use your note card sorter.